Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we are doing a deep dive into the EURUSD pair, combining recent news and events with a technical analysis of its price action across various time frames. Looking at the daily chart, we observe a recent surge in price, reaching a high of 1.11395 on December 27. This rapid price increase suggests strong bullish momentum. However, the price has pulled back slightly, indicating a possible short-term correction. We will look for potential support and resistance levels to understand the direction of future price movement. Let's now shift our attention to the hourly chart to analyze the short-term trends more closely. The hourly chart allows us to zoom in on short-term fluctuations, which may not be apparent on the daily chart. Notice the recent consolidation on the hourly chart, forming a potential flag pattern, indicating a possible continuation of the uptrend. The volume seems to suggest that bears and bulls are at an equilibrium. Switching back to the daily chart, we identify several key support and resistance levels. The 1.05 level seems to be a significant support zone, while 1.10 acts as a resistance level. The 15-minute chart helps us to identify immediate support and resistance levels, potential entry and exit points, and spot high-volume ranges. The current news indicates that Middle East tensions are contributing to risk-off sentiment, which might put downward pressure on the EURUSD pair. However, a pause in the US dollar decline could offer some support to the euro. We need to pay attention to upcoming economic data releases, especially from the Eurozone and the US, as these could significantly influence the EURUSD price. Interest rate differentials between the two regions could also play a role. Based on the chart patterns and news events, there's a moderate probability that the EURUSD could reach the 1.10 level in the short term. However, if the risk-off sentiment intensifies, a drop to the 1.05 support level is equally possible. If Middle East tensions escalate, we would see a significant shift toward risk-off sentiment, driving the price downward. Conversely, a resolution of those tensions could bolster the EURUSD price. Positive economic news from the Eurozone could add support. In the long term, the EURUSD trajectory will largely depend on the relative performance of the Eurozone and US economies, as well as central bank policies. Changes in interest rate differentials could cause significant changes. Key price levels to watch for: 1.05, strong support; 1.10, strong resistance. Keep an eye on the volume and volatility, particularly around key support and resistance levels. Upcoming economic data releases and geopolitical developments will influence prices. Remember, this is just an analysis, not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any trading decisions. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts.